Hi, my name is Innocent, this is Justice, and this is Vuyo, and I see a different you.
So what we do is we portray Africa the way in which we see it, using art, fashion and photography.
Biology, I'm really excited to see biology because we spent a lot of time together in Senegal and we became close.
So my name is Pedro. I have this project called Batida. The whole thing, and especially evolving the broadcast on the web by Boiler Room, has a lot to do with the idea that I have for the project, because of course my thing is music, and I think that this show has this background of fashion and a more aesthetic background because of Diesel and the clothing coming from Africa, and also a kind of a fair trade thing involved.
I'm Tanya. I'm from Zimbabwe. I started a fashion label called Tanya Nefertari, and I'm a blogger as well. If you're like someone that follows all my blogs, you'll know that I love Solange, and she's going to be here tonight, so I'm kind of excited about that.